everyone, thanks for stopping by to see what I am up to today. And today I have for you the Target Beauty Box, and this is for December 2019. And I have two. So one entire box, I'm not even going to open it, is going to be included in a giveaway. And then I also picked these up, and these are, I think, identical. I don't think there's anything different. And I have one that I might keep and one I'm going to include in a giveaway. So one complete set is not even going to be opened. And I do believe that Target is now making this a little difficult for us, which is a shame that now they are requiring, I do believe it's $25 that you have to spend before you can get these shipped out to you. Now, somebody said it was that way last month, and I didn't have a problem. I just ordered the beauty boxes, and they shipped them out to me. Now, I didn't try it this month. I didn't want it to be a problem. I wanted to get it early so that I could record this. So I don't know if that's true or not, but I did see some mentions on the site that they want you to spend at least $25. I guess maybe it was getting a little costly for them to ship these out to us because we were not paying for shipping. It was shipping free. I would almost rather they charged, you know, $1 or $2 for shipping so that we could still just get them. So I figured I would order one to give away since maybe people are not going to get the Target boxes anymore. And these are $7 or $7.50, something like that. And then they were free shipping. So it was about $7.50. So it made it worth it. And then I saw these on their site that included some, you know, well-named brands. So why not? It's some, probably travel sizes. Yes, they're very small. To try for myself and to include in a giveaway. So we're going to get right in. It's a pretty box right here. And it smells good. It says Sleigh All Day is their theme for the month, and it does give you, you know, the items listed on the back, and there's always a $3 off coupon included. And blue box, we have purple tissue, which is always nice. Ooh, got some good products. Let me turn it this way. Maybe this is what smells so nice. From Good Chemistry, we have Magnolia Violet, and this is a perfume with essential oils. Maybe this is what I'm smelling. I don't know. It smells good. So that's right here. And then here's the sample. And on the back it does tell you, you know, the ingredients. And this is yummy perfume formulated with essential oils in notes of magnolia, peony, and amber will leave you smelling delicious. I mean, it does smell very good, so maybe that is what I am smelling. The next product in here is from Lumene, I think is the name of the company, right here. And Lumene is Nordic Sea Glow Reveal Moisturizer. I think we have seen these before, or have received them before, I'm not really sure. And it does have a seal on it, which is nice, so I'll leave it sealed. I'm not going to open that, so that's a nice product to get. Let's see what this next item is. And this is Mixed Chicks Cool, Coil, Kink, and Curl. And this is a styling cream. Styling cream formulated with argan oil keeps curls conditioned and moisturized. So ringlets are beautifully bouncy and seriously shiny. Conditions, retains moisture, promotes growth, and adds definition. Let's see here. Safety seal, so I can't smell it. As my hair is getting longer, I notice that it's pulling the curl out, which I'm happy about, but I don't mind a little bit of curl. And they gave us another sample, which these are all pretty much samples from Biore, and this is the deep cleaning pore strip with charcoal, and it's, you know, just one nose strip. It says it right there, one nose strip. It's always nice to get. Let's see what this is. Step 1, step 2, and this is from Palmer's. Let's see, Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula 2-Step Hair Mask. Okay, so that's nice. So you have two foil packs. Locks in moisture for long-lasting results for dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. No sulfates, parabens, phthalates, no mineral oil, no gluten, no dyes, so that's nice. 1 restores shine and deep conditions, and 2 seals the cuticle, which is important when you're doing masks and any kind of, you know, treatments on your hair. So I'm excited for that. And then the next products are twins, and this is from Renpure right here. Here are both products. Renpure, and this is biotin and collagen thicken and strengthen shampoo, and that's this one right here. Custom blend of biotin and collagen infuses hair with weightless nutrients that add volume and strength, so strands look lusher and feel fuller. And then the conditioner is biotin and collagen infused formula, soothes the scalp and restores, and while restoring strength and shine, leaving strands silky smooth. And these are 3.4 fluid ounces, so and with the Target tape, so because these are the push down tops and nothing opens, so that's nice to get. So we got a nice shampoo and a conditioner, and we have a curl lock and curl styling cream, we have a hair mask, we have a sample of perfume, we have a Biore strip, and then what was this one? The moisturizer. So that is everything in the Target beauty box. Oops, there we go. Products falling, hitting the floor. Wouldn't be a video without it. I was on a streak there where nothing was hitting the floor. So that is the Target beauty box, and as always, I'm excited to get this box. I'm never disappointed. There's always products in here that I can use or that I share that somebody will use, whether it's family. I include them in giveaways, but you know, there are times, you know, oh, you ran out of deodorant. I'm like, wait, Target sent us me a deodorant last month, and it's in my cabinet, so then I don't have to worry until I can get to the store and, you know, buy my own. You should buy a few at a time, this way I don't have to worry about it. So and same thing with shampoos. You know, you're going away and you'd rather take stuff like that, or you know, you go to get in the shower and all of a sudden you're out of conditioner, you're out of shampoo. Well, you don't have to worry if you keep, you know, samples like this around. So that is the beauty box, and that is Sleigh All Day is their theme. So I will be keeping one, and some of the products I might include in giveaway, but I'm going to actually, this is going to be a giveaway because I'm not even going to open it. And then here I have 2 of these, so you can see 2. So one I'm going to put here. I'm not even going to open it whatsoever, and I will open this one, and we'll see what's inside. Okay, just going to let this stuff come out, and we'll see what it is together. And if there's things in here that I will not use, then I will, you know, like I said, I will share them with all of you guys too. So that's everything out of the box. So the first sample, and we have gotten this before in the Target box, and this is from L'Oreal, and this is the new Colorista hair makeup. 1-day coverage, no gloves, no damage, no commitment, and this is what it looks like. And mine is for brunettes and black hair, and this is the shade Raspberry right here. So you can see, it tells you the steps, and then from the picture you can sort of see what it will do. Like, I think it's in her ponytail, just a little bit of color. I might have my niece do that to my hair over the Christmas holidays, just to see, because I have a few of them now, so maybe she could try that on my hair. We have a coupon for $3 off. Is this still good? No. No, this is expired. Yeah, these coupons, they sent coupons here, 2 on this side and 2 on this side, and they're expired already. They expired the end of November, so these must have been sitting there for a little while. So then we have from Garnier Fructis, the Sleek Shot In-Shower Styler. Mixed with shampoo, rinse and condition, blow dry to cut sleek time in half. That's what that looks like. This is add Sleek Shot to your shampoo at a 1-to-1 ratio. Rinse and follow with conditioner and blow dry as usual. Okay, I mean, sounds exciting. And what is this? L'Oreal Paris, less texture, more color. What is this? This is what it looks like, what I'm seeing. Looks like a lip product, but let's figure out how to get it out. Okay, it just opens up here. So this is the package right here, so you just open it. Kind of cute packaging. And then there's a little sample in there of their new Rouge Signature Parisian Sunset. This is a matte colored ink. And this is 440 I Choose. I mean, this is really small. Here's the little sample. Give it a shake. I mean, it looks like it's definitely a little sample. And then these are, I guess, the colors that you could get. So this is definitely like a, gives you the color like a pinky red. I'm not going to swatch it because if it's a stain of any kind, I don't want it on my hand. Like a small little tiny baby doe foot. I mean, it's a regular doe foot, but the, you know, since it's a small tube, it's, so that's interesting to give it a try. I mean, I don't think I've seen these in store, but I also have not looked. So, but that's interesting, something different to try. And L'Oreal is very good. Then the next item is from Maybelline, and this is Total Temptation, and this is Very Black mascara, I'm assuming. So that's what this looks like. And I'm not going to open this because I do have several in use, and I might give that away to someone. And then from NYX, and is this a mascara also? Yes, this is a mascara also, and this is probably a black, and this is taped shut. Is both ends taped? Yes. So this is a, you know, a mascara, a mini mascara, and I'm not going to open this one. I might give this away. You know, how many mascaras can I possibly have? This is Volume and Lift. Volume Lift Mascara. It is on the rise from NYX. Interesting. 95% Sol Instant Volume and 94% Sol Instant Lift. I guess nobody can complain at that. And then here from, this is one of my favorites, and this is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, and this is all-in-one waterproof. These are great just to keep in your makeup bag, that if you, you know, taking off your makeup or even applying, if, I'm sorry, I'm losing my voice, you know, when you took off your makeup, you still had a little bit of like liner or something. This is great to then, like, you can fit, when you open this, and this does, I don't know, you can get a Q-tip or a cotton swab down that hole and just dip it in, or, you know, you just unscrew the top and you can put a Q-tip in there, and then this way, if you still have like leftover liner or a little bit of mascara that you might have missed, you can just use this with like a cotton swab to take that off. So even some, and usually at nighttime, if I have mascara on or a liner, I will use this on a small round to take that waterproof makeup off before I use anything else. This way I know that that's off, because there's nothing worse than leaving mascara on your lashes overnight. It just dries them out. They'll fall out. And then when you go to try to take it off, you can see that you're actually pulling lashes out, and that's not something you want to do. And especially you don't want to do that when you're my age. You know, your lashes thin out and so forth. So, so this is nice to have, and I love, this is probably my favorite micellar water. The regular, and it's pink. Pink lid is the regular, and the blue is the all-in-one waterproof. I love this the best. I've tried so many brands, and so far this is my favorite. So that is everything that is in this box right here, which I think is cute. And I'm trying to think, my receipt is here, but I don't think they put prices on their, this is the L'Oreal Paris Beauty Box. Yeah, I think it was like $4.99 or something. I mean, it was not expensive, but it was cute to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And, you know, L'Oreal Paris, Maybelline, Garnier, NYX, and it's trial size fall beauty essentials. So you really can't go wrong with that. If you see that in Target, pick it up. So I'm happy with that. I mean, I'll try the lip product, and the mascara I might give away just because, like I said, I have so many of them, and I don't want to keep too many of them active, because then they will dry out, and then I have to get rid of, you know, 3 or 4 of them instead of just maybe 1 that I'm no longer using. So that is that. So in this video, I'm going to keep my set. So this is my set right here. This is my Sleigh All Day Target Beauty Box. And my L'Oreal, my Fall Beauty Essentials. So these are mine. And I'm going to be giving these away. So I'm going to give away one of these kits and the actual December beauty box. Same rules that apply on all my other videos. I would love for you to be subscribed to the channel. I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and rate it positively, and leave a comment down below that you would love to be entered and how I can get a hold of you. And I'm going to limit this to 1 entry per person in 24 hours. So you can enter, you know, multiple times, just 1 per day. I think that keeps it fair instead of people, you know, spamming it and entering 50 times a day for as long as it's open. So one per day, 1 every 24 hours is sufficient. And I brought my calendar out so that I can pick a date. So today, the video that the date that this video is airing is Friday the 13th. I'm sorry. So I will leave it open for 2 weeks. So today's Friday the 13th, and it will end on Friday, December 27th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here, I'm going to write that right in my book so that there's no forgetting when this ends. So that I usually write them down in another book close to my laptop, but I am going to write in here that the Target giveaway ends so that I can keep track of it. Trust me, if it ended and which I would never forget about it, somebody would let me know, I would hope. So I will leave it open for, like I said, for the 2 weeks. Target is, and any of the brands in here are not affiliated with this giveaway. I have purchased both of these kits to give back to all of you. And in the, you know, the holiday season, the given season, I wanted to at least be able to have something to give back this month, because my giveaway that I posted, giveaway video that I posted on Saturday, December 7th, is not necessarily the December giveaway. I want to keep it open until I hit 1,500 subscribers. I'm about 1,230 right now, so I still have a little bit to get to hit 1,500, which probably will happen in January, and I'm fine with that. So the longer it takes, the longer that is open. And just trying to think what other rules there are. Watch this video till the very end. That would be nice. And that helps with watch time. That helps, you know, just build the channel for analytics. You know, you can share this video with your friends and have them come over and subscribe and follow the rules, and they can enter also. You know, all that good stuff like I normally do. And that's my Target video for the month of December 2019. And I so appreciate every one of you, and I'm happy you're here watching this today with me. And as always, I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.